the road again. We're in Port Elizabeth. I'm really excited about being here, in particular because of the bicycles and the community work. Behind you is where a soup kitchen is held every week by 420 Corner to feed the community.
At this spot.
Which I think is really important work to do in the cannabis industry. The cannabis culture needs to have a heart, and this is what it's about. So we're going to go and do a vlog of 420 Corner. We're going to try and ride these things all the way down the main drag here. Apparently the community know what we're doing, and they're going to give us a gap on the road to get past. Taz, you ready? Get it all sorted. Keep rolling. What do you think? I think this is legendary.
Stopping? No, look left. No, look right. I've got to beat
Come on, guys. You can't think this isn't rad, eh? The cannabis culture. Hello, guys. The cannabis culture is alive and kicking.
No, how many times have you had to run backwards on this road? Guys, you have to see Lolo.
This is going to be a cool vlog. Check at the wall there. The parking signs, 420 Corner. I'm going to show you a cool car.
Thank you.
Sorry, good man.
Thanks, you.
All Joburg taxis need to ride bikes
here we
like
go.
this.
Let's ramp it up.
So cool. Wait, help me get in here.
Hello, ladies. How are you doing? Cool. Has everybody checked that you're okay with being on YouTube?
Okay, see you now.
You're good with being on YouTube? Cool. As you can see, beautiful community going. Guys are enjoying playing Xbox or PlayStation.
Okay.
Some Mali reggae vibes, beautiful. Hello, gents. What are you playing? Football? FIFA. Who's winning out of what's going on?
No, it's a draw.
Is it a draw? Yeah. Somebody's got to win, guys. So, really important, the community.
Yes.
I think there should be a lot more places like this, helping children, helping men, essentially just helping the community from whatever you're making out of a vibe like this. And this is the second place that I've been to out of all the places that I've been to that actively do it. It's important work. So guys, thank you for your time. Just roll with us. Keep rolling.